Okay, welcome back, fellows. Today I want to do a simple tutorial to show you how to use a Matlab as a beginner. But I'll try and continue our tutorial on our Spring Plus and Matlab simulation. But today I just want to show you how Matlab is very essential and very important to engineering and how to do some basic calculations using Matlab. So if you are an engineering student and you have been struggling with MATLAB, this video will change everything. In the next few minutes, I'll teach you how to use the basics MATLAB from scratch. No experience is needed. Okay, MATLAB is simple. Matrix is simple, but matrix laboratory used in engineering, chemical, mechanical, electrical to do simple data analysis or simple simulations, AI, machine learning. Matlab is developed by MathWorks. So if you can see on my screen, you can see that you can have the command window where you type simple command to on the software. Because you also have the workspace which contain the variables. You also have the editor for scripting. And we also have a current folder for files and for saving and open files. Okay, so let's start our basic command. Let's give it a basic command. So for example, let me assign A and equate it to 5. Okay, then if I want to separate the first line from the second line, I'll just type this comma, this type of comma, then I'll type enter. Okay, assign B, equate it to 3. Okay, then I'll type the same type of comma and I'll type enter. So I'll say C. I'm giving it a simple command. C is equal to A plus B. Simple as that. So after that, now type my enter. The answer is 8 exactly because 5 plus 3 will give us 8. Okay, after that, let's tackle some small matrix. How can we write matrix on MATLAB? So let me start. My matrix A is equal to or this type of bracket or parentheses. I use this. So start writing 1, give it a shift, 2, shift 3, then separate the first row from the next by this. Type in this type of comma. After that, 3, then 4, comma, 5, comma, 6. The same thing. The next, okay, row from the next row from the next separating the second row from the third row. Okay, then 7 comma 8 9. After that, then I'll close the bracket. Good. After that after that, I'll just type enter. Then here is it. Here is our matrix. Here's our matrix. So let me do some simple some simple operation. So let me say B, let me say capital B rather. B is equal to matrix A multiplied by matrix E, just A square. So A square. Got it? Good. Here is our B, which is which is matrix A multiplied by matrix E, or A square. I'm giving out the answer. Okay, so let me show you how to give a command so that give us it can give us a graph with uh, with uh, with ASICs. Maybe I want to plot a graph where I want the x axis to be from 0 to 10, but in decimal, while the y should be maybe in sign in a sign of a number. So I will start by defining my x axis. So x is equal to 0, then I'll type this type of comma, then I'll type 0. After that, I'll type 0.1 because I want it to start from 0, 0.1, 0.1, then is to 10. Okay, you define your x as 0 is to 0.1 is to 10. You get me? 0 is to 0.1 is to 10, which simple mean the exercise will start from 0, but will continue with a difference of 0.1. So 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 to 10. So after that, then I'll type this. Okay, voila. After that, I'll define my y. So y should be equal to sine of what? Sine of x. Okay, so my y is simple the sine of what? X. Okay, after that, then I'll just say plot, plot. Now open my bracket x, comma y. Then I'll close the bracket, then type my enter. Here we go. Here is our simple plotting axis where we have the x-axis starting from 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 to 10 or 1. Then we also have our y-axis, which we see the y is simple, the sine of x. So we can see 0, 0.1 to 1, 1. Okay, so that's it. So see you in my next video.